let's get cracking with the second one. This is Daniel, and you are going to get coded. In this video, I'm going to show you the words level shortcuts in Visual Studio. If you haven't watched the word level shortcuts, please click on this video over here. If you have, welcome back, let's continue. So, right now we are going to look at words. So how to select words, how to move words, how to do all of that, okay? So, let's get started. Here I have the code, you know it. The first one, Ctrl and right arrow. So, to select the next word, and Ctrl left arrow to select the previous word. So next and previous. Okay, so here I have my cursor. So I move it simply with the up down arrows, not arrows but arrows. Okay, so Ctrl and right arrow, I move one word. Okay, so let's try to explain how this works. And I need to scroll down a little bit. Okay, so we look right now at model equals XPS 15, okay? So, as you can see, I jump from the beginning of the word until the end of the word containing the space, okay? And right now, before that. So this space over here, it's actually part of the word. So the space is part of the word. This is how it works. And this is very useful because you want to jump or to move faster. So instead of doing like this, which takes a million times, you can just use Ctrl and right arrow to move even faster. So this is way faster. And you go directly where you want. And you can go previously as well. So it's the previous words as well. Okay? So these two. The next pair, Ctrl backspace and Ctrl delete. Delete left and delete right. So simply put, if you press only the backspace, you are able to delete the previous character, okay? If you press on delete, you delete the next character. And if I continue on delete, you see that the next characters are deleted. So let's try to press Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z to actually go back. And we need to press Ctrl backspace and Ctrl delete. So instead of deleting only one character, you are able to delete multiple characters, meaning a word. So let's try Ctrl backspace. I delete laptop without the need of actually selecting it. So I don't select it and backspace. I just have my cursor over here, Ctrl backspace. I delete it. And I can do the same on the other side. So Ctrl delete, delete, I delete this one. Let's try to go to the manufacturer, Ctrl delete, and so on. So this is how it works, okay? Let's try to undo our actions because those committed some errors. Okay, and the next group, we have the cursor. So how to move the cursor? You have shift and all the arrows, okay? Left, up, down, right. So let's try to press on shift and on up arrow. And you can see I select some words and I actually select lines here. But this makes sense because this is for words. This is, I believe, for words, okay? So this is how you can select multiple words. Let's try to see. I want to select everything that comes after the laptop in the curly braces, okay? So something like this, and then I'll go like this. And I select everything including the curly braces. And I can say backspace and I remove that one. So this is very, very useful. I think this is the most useful from this level. So shift down arrow, you select down. Shift up arrow, you go up. Shift right arrow, you select multiple words. And shift left arrow, you select the words, the previous words, okay? And you do something like this. So this is very useful when you want to actually select multiple things at the same time. So I can do something like this, but I forgot the first square bracket. Nevertheless, I'll just press backspace to actually remove those things, okay? So these are the words level shortcuts in Visual Studio. If you like this video, please click thumbs up. Also consider subscribing. Until next time, bye guys.